My name is Jerry Gerlinger. I've been in the business of building carts for maintenance professionals for many years. And what you see here is the result of a new effort where I reached out to 3 major hotel companies because I knew there was a need for a cart specifically designed for hotel engineers. And I said to them, we're going to develop a cart, and would you like to be involved? And they all 3 said yes. And they gave me unprecedented access over 2 years to their engineers, to the GMs, to everybody. And we got their input on exactly what the issues were. And so from there we were able to come up with a solution. The issues were, the carts were too big, they were too unsightly, they were too hard to maneuver, they were too wide and flat and low, they were a bunch of drawers that didn't provide any organization. They were a mess, basically. So they were inefficient, they were heavy, they were an eyesore, and they were, in a lot of cases, cheap. So these were the issues that they wanted to get rid of. And what you see here is we probably went through 9 prototypes and ended up with a design that they all said, this is exactly what we've been looking for. First of all, it is maneuverable. Okay, it's small, lightweight, and easy to maneuver. And when we talked to the guys about it, they said that was the #1 thing they liked about this final cart, although they seem to like everything. Also, it carries every single tool that they need, but it does it in a very special way. In the front here, we carry the bigger items, but every tool is carried in its own numbered and labeled pocket. And that does a magical thing. It makes every tool accountable. So you can keep track of those tools and not lose them. And more importantly, the engineer is not making trips back to the shop looking for a tool or a part that they need. It has an integrated tool bag that has about 84 tools on it, all in numbered and labeled pockets. You can inventory this bag in about 30 seconds. Carts are given a same level of organization. They're all contained in these drawers right here. And if you look right in here, you can see that these are all removable bins that the engineer can change and put larger and smaller sizes in to build this to be exactly what they want it to be. So what happens is, instead of taking a big old can of, or a box of screws and setting it in a drawer when they only need a few of them, they'll take a few and stick it in a little bin like this, and then thereby getting all that space back and all that weight gone. It's that kind of logic that made this cart extremely small and maneuverable and lightweight and organized, and allowed it to carry even more stuff than their bigger carts carry. In addition to those things, we added security. This was a big issue for them. And if you put a padlock here, and you put this rod down through here, and put a padlock there, and put a cover over here, you've just locked down the entire cart. And then you've got other features too that I'll point out very quickly. But I have to say that the overall effort to decipher from these people, to really understand their problems and give them a real solution, that was what really happened here. And it was over a 2-year period. We really understood it, where we had 30 or 40 professionals giving their input in 7 different locations. Another thing that they loved was the fact that we had a way to carry a ladder on the front. This vise, very lightweight, but did everything that they needed it to do. The surface here, the work surface, folds down and gives you a nice area to work. It's also easy to clean and easy to care for. And we've got this surround here as well that creates sort of a box on top so that you can push things along and not have them fall off. There's a trash can in the back. This was a big deal to them. So they have a place to put their trash. And then down here you can actually carry a can of paint. That was one thing that they said they wanted to be able to do, up to a gallon. On the sides, on this side, you've got filter storage, you've got light bulb storage, anything long now can go this way instead of this way. Rags, bottles, whatever they need to carry. And then the wheels, big issue were the wheels. We made sure that they were strong, quiet, high quality wheels that were way overbuilt for the cart so that they would never have a problem. In short, we addressed every single issue that they had. And so I thank you for taking the time to view this video. And if you have an interest in this and would like to talk to us further about it, you can reach me at 614-348-2888. 2517. Thank you.